This is not your ordinary mouse for computers. It's a wireless mouse and not the usual Bluetooth wireless mouse. It also has other wireless mode and it is silent. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow!
Let me thank the people who continue to support this channel by becoming a member and sharing super thanks. And the rest will show support by subscribing to this channel. Finally, we have reached 5,000 subscribers. Daghang salamat bay, we're techie buddies. In this video, I'm sharing another small device from Xiaomi that we can use in our daily tech routine in our homes. It's small because in fact this is a peripheral for computers. It helps us navigate computer screens and do extra functions by just a click or double click of a button. By its name, the Mi Dual Mode wireless mouse started with the Chinese version at least 3 years ago, and this global version was released about a year ago. Just a few days after I bought this last month, Xiaomi launched an upgraded version of this mouse and named it as Xiaomi Dual Mode Wireless Mouse 2. What's the difference? I'll tell you along the way. Xiaomi calls this mouse as a silent edition because clicking the left and right buttons as well as the scroll wheel are said quieter than 40 decibels. That's an equivalent of a whisper or quieter than a library. This is Razer's Death Hunter gaming mouse that I have reviewed months ago. Let's do some sound checks of the clicking noises of these two mouses here. Left first. I cannot hear the Mi mouse. Right click. The scroll. The side buttons. Being wireless, it declutters our desk. It uses low-power Bluetooth to connect to our phones and tablets. It also has a 2.4 GHz transceiver using this dongle that is best to connect the mouse to the computer. The button here below the scroll wheel is used to toggle between Bluetooth and dongle. If you want to swipe the screen forward and backward, just click the two hotkeys here on the right side of the mouse. Just a reminder, these switches can only work on a specific operating system. The plastic body of the mouse is made of ABS and PC materials. The sides of the mouse is gradient dotted texture for steady grip even if your hands got sweat. The size of this mouse, Xiaomi says, is just the right size for Asians. Mi has small hands and this fits. It's not only aesthetically nice to see the curve in the center of the mouse, it's also perfect to hold. This comes in two colors or variants, black matte finish and quartz white. The Teflon foot pad is designed for easier scrolling but has a hard time on the cutting board. You can easily replace the battery by snapping the lid here. The battery is AA. The original wireless mouse, the mouse one, was 2 AAA. This one is 1 AA, so it means this is only 1.5 volts, so this is similar to mouse 2. Though it's low power consumption, but time will come the battery starts to deplete. If the indicator light blinks red, it means it has low power. If the red indicator stays for 10 seconds, it means the mouse is about to power off. To save battery power, the indicator light turns off and the mouse will be put into saving mode the moment it's not being used. If the indicator light is off, we can just raise the mouse at least 1 centimeter from the surface and the light turns green or blue depending on the last usage. Okay, there's the power button here. Here's how to use the dual mode wireless connection. Press the button here. Once the light turns green, you're on dongle mode. Others call it USB mode because the dongle is a USB plug. Press again the button to turn the light to blue color and you're on Bluetooth mode. Pairing the mouse to your computer or mobile devices is easy as 1, 2, 3 for the Bluetooth connection. Once the Bluetooth mode is selected on the mouse, it should blink quickly. Look for the mouse in the Bluetooth device list of your PC or mobile and connect. To reset the Bluetooth connection, just press the button until the blue light blinks and pair the mouse with your device again. When I first paired this with my tablet, instead of BLE 4.2, I saw two BLE 3.0 and the latest BLE 5.0. I chose 5.0 because it has better transmission of data. But later, I shifted to BLE 3.0 due to erratic operation between the mouse and the tablet. My tablet is only Android 5.0.2, while this mouse is supposedly supports only a minimum of Android 6. I rather use the BLE 5.0 on my smartphone. For the dongle, no pairing is required. All you have to do is to insert this dongle to the USB port of your PC or laptop. Then I can see here on the PC setting up a device. Then it says here we're setting up the Mi Mouse. Okay. And it says here device is ready. Mi wireless mouse is set up and ready to go. Okay. Check. This is blue. It means Bluetooth. Then it's green. Let's check. Okay. You can see here. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to open the Tapocam viewer here. Okay. So let's see here. Click. Okay, very nice. Okay, you see that? I hope you can see it's so snowy, but I think you can see it in the black screen on the Tapo viewer app window. Okay, the mouse. I can drag. Okay, I'm dragging now. The mouse. So it works. Then I'll transfer to Bluetooth. Blue. Then I'll check here. So on Bluetooth, this one, I think you can see the mouse. This is dongle. I'll change to Bluetooth. It's blue already. And you can see here, the cursor is moving. So it's so fast. It's real time. We'll try to use the forward and backward buttons here on the side of the mouse. So this is the backward button and the one at the front is the forward button. If we press backward button, the screen will go back to the previous page that we had visited. Then if we press backward or forward rather, then we'll move to the next page. So that's the purpose of the forward and backward button. Reading the specs of the mouse 2, I can say there's not much difference with this global version of the mouse 1. First, it has the same size. Second, the difference in sensitivity of its optical sensor is not much. The mouse 2 has 1200 dpi high precision sensor for quick, reliable, and responsive tracking during even the most complex tasks. This one has 1300 dpi. I don't think that 100 dpi difference really matters. However, most normal uses, including games, has a dpi setting between 800 and 1200. Remember, the lower the dots per inch, the precise the mouse is, but slower, while higher dpi is faster but not easy to control. On the mouse too, the mode button is already removed because it uses two channels. One is for Bluetooth and one for the dangle. It means you don't need to switch from Bluetooth to dangle or vice versa. I just can't figure it out for now how to switch between the two modes on mouse 2. While the forward and backward side buttons in mouse 1 only act when using Windows 8 or newer OS, the mouse 2 on the other hand has backward compatibility up to Windows 7. Not only that, the mouse 2 can now work with Mac having OS 10.13 or newer. However, this global version also works with Mac OS 10.10 and Android 6.0 and newer. I'm not an experienced mouse user. I'm not into gaming nor using the mouse regularly like a graphic artist. My whole life as a journalist delved only on writing, using most of the time the keyboard. Nevertheless, my own experience on the Mi dual mode wireless mouse is awesome. I'm not demanding for more. It's just enough that this mouse helps me navigating the screen of my tablet. And soon I can use this when I'll extend my phone to a larger screen using Samsung DeX. Stay tuned. Daghang salamat. High-tech Dubai.